This is going to be a really familiar cycle for a lot of you guys. We're going to talk about where you fit on this cycle. Being self-confident is believing that you can carry out, undertake, perform a desired skill. I'm confident that I can snatch 60 kilos. Having a self-confidence, yep, I know I can do that. We get this really dangerous cycle though if your self-confidence is low. If you're about to jump in the swimming pool and you don't think you're a good swimmer, you expect that you're going to fail because that's the story that you've told yourself. And because you expect to fail, you end up then actually failing. Oh, surprise, surprise, I'm a bad swimmer. I already knew that because your self-confidence is down. It lowers your self-image. I identify as a bad swimmer. I'm a bad swimmer. Therefore, because I'm a bad swimmer, in the future, my swimming is going to be bad. So I expect failure. And then I fail, and it reinforces this pattern, and you go into this really dangerous spiral. I'm an upper body strength athlete. My squats are weak. You identify as that. Who identifies as I'm a body weight? I'm a body weight person. I'm not a strength athlete. Yeah, or I'm a strength athlete. I'm not good at body weight stuff. That's an issue with your self-confidence. And as soon as you do that, as soon as you self-identify as that, again, this self-fulfilling prophecy, what's called the Pygmalion effect, means that you do actually end up self-fulfilling your prophecy.